People think that you just go and throw a trend line. You don't just go and throw a trend line, okay? So we just total profit $1,104. So we're on my live account. You can see it in my address bar. It says cabinet / not cabinet - demo. And our balance is $59,096. So let's just see what we can grab. That is the volume bar that we are creating a rejection based off of. So I'm waiting to see if this candle is going to come up. If it does, as soon as it touches this line right here, we're going to sell. Now, I might have been a little bit early on that, but as you can see, it immediately rejected off of that. Okay, hi Sammy. So we have 9 seconds left. Looks like, thank you very much. Looks like we should be good. 2, 1, and boom. As you can see, that took literally like what, seconds? That took freaking seconds, okay? Do you see how simple this is? It's hella simple. I teach you all of this inside my VIP, okay? It's a course, instant access. You get access to 3 different courses. You get access to me as well as live streaming on there. Tons of cheat sheets that break down the math of, like my different strategies and whatnot. And this is the strategy that has a 75 to 80% win rate. We do now have this confirmation because we have a higher volume bar here. So here is our current resistance. So we would draw this here, and we would draw this here, and we would draw it here on the wick. Okay, so now we have a zone. So that means that when price comes up and touches this, we can sell there. I need it to come up just a little bit more. Now, if it goes significantly higher, we're just going to take our trades there. But we have 45 seconds. I'll take another trade here. Okay. So why do we use trend lines? We use trend lines because it tells us, number 1, where our rejection is, number 2, where we can, where we have our turning point. And again, I also mentioned that, hey, look, this is looking really fucking good. So we currently have 3 trades going, 400 each. This is looking fucking beautiful, okay? But I also teach you in my course why I did this and how I did this, and there's a very specific math for the angles that you use with the trend line. People think that you just go and throw a trend line. You don't just go and throw a trend line, okay? So we just total profit $1,104. So this could not get any easier because now that you see that it works, all you have to do is use the link in my bio and you will land on my store. If you were looking at the VIP course, it's VIP Trade Like Me. That's the course I'm talking about. And then there's also the free trading community where you can get access to a ton of cheat sheets. And then there's the cheat sheets by themselves, okay? So that is it for today. I hope you have a great Sunday.